Hi everyone, welcome to SriSai online training. Today in this session of Core Java Demo Session 2, we are going to discuss the following topics. Features of Java programming. So we have 12 notable features of Java programming. So in that we have basic features as well as advanced features. So in this session we are going to discuss the basic features of Java programming with real-time examples and how these features are implemented in Java programming. So before starting with these features of Java programming, we'll have a small revision what we discussed in the last session. So in the last session we had introduction to Java programming. So what is Java programming? So Java programming is a computer programming language. So what is the use of Java programming? So using Java programming, we can develop computer applications, computer programs, or computer software. So we can develop the computer software. So Java is a computer programming language using which we can develop computer programs, computer applications, computer software. Right. So coming to the history of Java programming. So Java was invented in the year 1991 by James Gosling and his team, okay, at Sun Microsystems. At Sun Microsystems, USA. So at that time, it was known as Oak language. It was known as Oak language. So Oak is a national tree in USA. Okay, right. And the main use of Oak language was to develop embedded system programs. So Oak was mainly used for embedded system programming. So what are embedded systems? Embedded systems are single purpose electronic devices. Right. And the year 1995. Okay. So this Oak language was commercialized as Java programming language. And using Java programming language, we can develop computer system programs. Right. So this is 1991 Oak language, 1995 Java programming language. And internally, it was known as Green Talk. Okay. And the team was known as Green Team. So the James Gosling and his team was known as Green Team. So basically embedded systems are single purpose electronic devices like VCR, VCPs, digital watches, digital clocks, washing machines, refrigerators, microwave ovens, etc. Whereas computer systems are multi-purpose system. We can do multiple things parallelly at the same time. So for those computer systems to develop computer applications, we use Java programming language. So basically using Java programming language, we can develop end user computer applications. Okay, so end user means any person who is interacting with computer, and its computer applications are called as end user. And computer applications means applications which provide some usage or working mechanism to the end user is called computer applications. So basically end user applications are notepad, calculators, office applications, etc. Right. So this is what is small introduction and history to Java programming. And then what are the different types of Java applications which we can develop using Java programming language. So basically we have two types of applications which can be developed using Java programming language. First one, so standalone applications. Second one, network based applications. So standalone applications are single user, single system usage applications. So they are generally desktop applications. We have to install them and we have to use them in the system. Okay. Example for standalone applications are Notepad, calculator, single user games, office applications, etc. Second one, network based applications. So network based applications are multi-user, multi-systems connected together and communicating with each other. Example, email applications. Example, chatting application, file sharing application, internet applications like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Citibank, etc. Next, coming to Java programming products. Okay, so basically in Java, we have many programming products. So basic is Java SE. Next, Java EE, Java ME, Java for mobiles, Java FX, JRE, Java runtime environment. Okay, Java cards, Java for TV. Okay, right. So Java embedded. So like this, we have different Java programming products. So for all these products, we use Java SE as the basic programming product. So if you learn core Java, then we can do programming for remaining all types of Java programming products. So using Java, we can develop any type of application or programming product for almost all types of electronic devices which are available in the market today. And that is the reason why we prefer Java. Okay, why Java? So we prefer Java when compared to other programming languages for three reasons. So first one, Java is simple programming language. Second one, Java is platform independent programming language. And third one, Java is open source programming language. Right. So what is this simple? What is this platform independent? What is this open source? Okay, so we are going to discuss once again all these things in the features of Java in the today's session and in the later session. So this is what is all about, a small revision to the last session about Java programming. So now let us start with features of Java programming. So Java programming language. So basically, Java is a computer programming language using which we can develop end user applications for computers. And this language is highly successful in IT industry because of 12 notable features. Okay, so we have 12 notable features. So these features goes like this here. First one, Java is simple programming language. Java is secure programming language. Java is portable programming language. Java is object-oriented programming language. Java is robust programming language. Java is multi-threading programming language. So these are 6 basic features of Java programming language. Next, coming to the advanced features of Java programming language, Java is platform independent programming language. Java is both compiled as well as interpreted programming language. Java is architecture neutral programming language. Java is high performance programming language. Java is distributed programming language, and Java is dynamic programming language. So 6 basic and 6 advanced notable features of Java. So now coming to the basic features of Java programming language. So the first basic feature is simple programming language. So why Java is simple programming language? So Java was invented in the year 1995. Okay, so in 1995 we got Java. We got C language in 1972. Okay, C language. Next we got C++ in 1983. C++. Okay, so after C and C++, we got Java. So why Java became simple programming language? So first reason is, so whatever the limitations or drawbacks which are there in C, C++ were eliminated in Java. Okay, so basically we have the concept of pointers. We have the concept of, okay, operator overloading. We have the concept of, okay, multiple inheritance. So these concepts have some limitations or drawbacks. Okay, so those were eliminated in Java, and Java is made simple with respect to features. Next, the basic reason goes like this. So in Java, we can write computer programs simple and easy. Okay, so we can write the computer programs with less number of coding lines and short amount of time. Okay, so less number of coding lines and short amount of time. So for example, if you take stack, queue, linked list, trees, or tables or maps in C, C++. Okay, so minimum we have to write here 100 lines of code minimum. Okay, so all these things are eliminated in Java. So in Java, okay, we have predefined stack, queue, list classes, trees, tables, maps classes. Okay, so all these are predefined classes. So these classes are available as direct library in Java. So just use this class and perform different operations on data structures. Okay, so Java is also simple to run, simple to learn, and easy to write computer programs with less number of coding lines and short amount of time. Okay, so this is another reason for simple programming language. Next, one more reason is in old languages, okay, basically they are procedure oriented programming languages. So procedure oriented programming languages means we write everything as functions: main function, sum function, add function, printf function, clear screen, everything is function. So if you want to do upgradations, if you want to remove errors, it is very difficult. Okay, so functions, upgradation, if you want to remove anything, any errors from the functions, they are very difficult. It is time consuming and highly complex. So Java uses structured programming. Okay, so structured programming means everything as classes. So we write everything inside a class in Java. So what is the advantage of classes and objects? Easy upgradations, easy modifications, and easy debugging. So debugging means removing errors during development time. Okay, so these are the three important advantages of Java, object oriented programming language, when compared to traditional programming languages like C, C++, Perl, Ruby, COBOL. Easy upgradation, easy modifications, easy debugging. So this is what is Java as simple programming language. So now coming to Java as secure programming language. Okay, so secure. So secure means security. So what is security? in simple words, it is protection. Okay, so let us try to understand what is end user security. Okay, so end user, any person who is a user of a product, user of a computer, user of a service is called as end user. Okay, right. So basically, if we take a computer, okay, right. So for computer, we have user 1, user 2, user 3, so on. We also have admin user. So we have different users of a computer. So how computer is protected from different users to access the data or applications or services in a computer? So this is done through usernames and corresponding passwords. Okay, so now coming to the definition of security. So the definition of security goes like this. Okay, right. So providing security or providing protection to data or service or products, etc. from unauthorized access is called as security. Okay, so here end user security is provided to authenticated users, means username and password. So this security is done after developing the products, and such products are used by end users or customers of a company. Okay, right. So for example, let us take some real life examples. Okay, right. So for example, mobile phone. So for mobile phone, to have unauthorized access, to avoid unauthorized access, we use security code, we use pin code, we use pattern based code, we use fingerprint code, we use face lock code. Okay, so similarly for online banking transactions, we use OTP. OTP is one time password which is generated dynamically for banking transactions. Okay, so now coming to Java. So in Java, security is with respect to the data which is used in the program memory while running the program. Okay, once again I'm repeating. So in Java, security is with respect to the data in program memory while we are running the program. Okay, right. So basically in Java we have online web applications. Okay, so whenever we are using online web applications, whatever the data we enter in our application, this should not be accessible or visible to other users of the same website. Okay, so this mechanism provides private and confidential data from illegal usage. So Java does not support the concept of pointers. So pointer is a variable which is used to store the address of a particular data in memory. So this concept is there in C++. Okay, so due to which, okay, Java does not allow other users to access its program memory in RAM directly by other programs. Okay, so the advantage is data tampering, data stealing is zero in Java programming memory. So Java has completely avoided the concept of pointers and its implementation directly in program memory. So due to which one user data is not accessible to other users and vice versa. So this is what is technically with respect to memory, Java is providing security to the data of a particular user in your application without the concept of pointers. And this is done with intelligent piece of software, JVM. So basically, JVM is used to run Java programs. Okay, so whenever you run Java programs, JVM is loaded into the memory. Okay, and JVM does not allows, okay, illegal programs like viruses to enter your program memory during execution. Okay, so when viruses, spyware, malware does not enter your program memory, then your program and program data for a particular user is highly secure during execution time. And this is done with JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It is an intelligent piece of software. It is installed in your system when you install Java software. And JVM is responsible for running Java programs. Okay, so two reasons why Java is secure. One, no concept of pointers. Two, no virus, no spyware, no malware because of JVM. Right. So finally, what is virus? So virus is an illegal program which will destroy data in our system. Okay. What is spyware? So spyware is also a illegal program. Without your knowledge, it will take your data. It will send the data to the hackers, illegal users on the network. Okay. And those illegal users will take control of our system without our knowledge. What is malware? Okay, so malware is also an illegal program which will disturb the work in our computer. Okay, so for example, unnecessary advertisements which will be displayed in our web pages. So they will run automatically in the background. They will be disturbing our work and they will waste our time and energy on the system. Okay, right. So basically, these are automatically installed in different systems from different websites, and they will perform unnecessary advertisements, blocking the websites, etc. So all these concepts are avoided because of security which is provided by JVM to our data for different users of Java computer applications. So coming to the third basic feature of Java, Java is a portable language. So portable means something which can be taken from one place to another place physically and use in any place. So this is what we call it as portability. Okay, so for example, television, computers, furniture. Okay, so these things can be taken from one place to another place physically, and we can use them at any place. So this is real life example. Now let us take one more example in computers. For example, if we take MP3 files. So MP3 files are music files. Okay, so music files, we can use them in mobiles, we can use them in computers, we can use them in cars, we can use them in MP3. Okay, we can also use them in TVs. We can also use them in music systems. So MP3 music file is portable from one system to another system. Mobile system, computer system, cars, TVs, music system. So now coming to Java programs. So how Java programs are portable from one place to another place. So Java programs can be executed on any computer machine without any changes or without any settings in that particular computer. And this is possible through JVM. So whenever we install Java in our system, automatically JVM is also installed. Okay, so JVM is responsible for running Java programs portable from one computer system. System 1, System 2, System 3, etc. Okay, so no changes. Okay, and no settings are required. So no changes and no settings, directly we can run the program. And this is achieved through JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So now, how portability is achieved in Java programming. So basically, whenever we compile the Java program, we'll get the bytecode. So this bytecode is understood only by a special piece of software known as JVM. For example, let us say that we write Java programs with .java as extension. So after that, we have to compile the program. What is compilation? We'll discuss in detail in the later session. We'll get the bytecode. Okay, so this bytecode is understood only by JVM. So JVM can run this bytecode with same output on any computer machine. Okay, so computer system 1, computer system 2, computer system 3, no changes, no settings. Run the same program, the program which is converted into bytecode using JVM. Okay, right. So what do you mean by compilation? So compilation means converting the user program into machine understandable code. Okay, so basically in C++, when you compile the program, you will get the machine code directly. Whereas in Java, we get the bytecode. We will not get the machine code directly. Okay, so C++ programs will run on the same machine in which they are compiled. Whereas Java bytecodes run on any machine with the help of JVM. So this is the difference between C++ and Java compilation. Okay, so C++. So when we compile them, we will get the machine code directly. So machine code means OS understandable code. Okay, but in Java, when we compile, we'll not get the machine code directly. We'll get one intermediary code, which is bytecode. So bytecode is JVM understandable code. And using JVM, we can run this on any system. So this is what is portability. So portability of Java programs is achieved through, okay, JVM. So JVM is responsible for portable of Java programming. So coming to the fourth feature of Java programming language, object-oriented programming. So this is one of the important features of Java programming language. So OOP stands for object-oriented programming language. So it is not a separate language. It is not a new language. It is a concept or subject or theory which is based on real life situations. Okay, so real life situations in the form of programming is known as object-oriented programming. Once again, I'll repeat it. Real-time situations as computer program is known as object-oriented programming. Okay, so Java is pure object-oriented programming because it implements all the features of OOPS with real-time situations without any drawbacks. It implements the features of OOPS without any limitations. Now, what is this pure object-oriented programming? I'll discuss this, okay, in different examples. So pure means it is not 100%. Okay. So pure means not 100% object-oriented programming, because in Java we don't have operator overloading, we don't have multiple inheritance directly. Even multiple inheritance is also not there in Java directly. Okay, so what is this pure? What is this 100% object-oriented programming? We'll discuss in different chapters. Right, so now coming to what are the 4 basic features of OOPS? So technically these are called as principles of OOPS. So the first principle of OOPS is abstraction, second one encapsulation, third one inheritance, fourth one polymorphism. So what is abstraction? Okay, so abstraction. So abstraction means hiding unnecessary things in a product, exposing only necessary things in that product to the end user. Okay, right? So how this is done in Java program? So this is done in Java program through access modifiers. Okay, and we also have abstract classes, abstract methods, and interfaces. So using access modifiers, abstract classes, abstract methods, and interfaces, we implement, okay, abstraction in Java program. So let us take a small example for this. For example, if we take a marker pen, okay, so in marker pen, ink refill are hidden from the user. And what is exposed in the marker pen? Nib, body for writing. Okay, so hiding unnecessary things. Ink refill, exposing only necessary things. Body, nib for holding and writing. So this is abstraction. Okay, right? So next, second one, encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? So we got the word encapsulation from capsule. So capsule means medicine. For example, if you take a capsule with 10 mg medicine, after taking that capsule, it will go to the stomach, it will open in the stomach, it will show the reaction on the body. Okay, so here we have two things. One, 10 mg medicine, plus when we use the 10 mg medicine, it will show the action or reaction. So this is what is encapsulation. So encapsulation says that every product has two things. One, data as input. Two, functionality as usage. So data as input. Two, functionality as usage. So data plus functionality makes up encapsulation. Okay, right. So let us take an example of marker pen. So in marker pen, ink, color, quantity of ink is data to marker pen. And what is the usage of marker pen? So the usage of marker pen is writing on a whiteboard. So ink, color, quantity is data. Writing on a whiteboard is the functionality or usage of a marker pen. So similarly, we can take a ceiling fan. So ceiling fan, power supply, speed, okay, is input to the fan. And what is the functionality? Number of rotations per minute for air circulation is the functionality of a ceiling fan. So every product has two things: data as input, functionality as usage. Now, how this is implemented in Java programming? So the technical definition goes like this. So encapsulation means binding together data and functionality as a single unit, and this is done in Java program using classes and objects. Okay, classes and objects is the implementation of encapsulation in Java program. So basically in Java program we write all programs using classes. Okay, so without class there is no Java program. Everything is class and its corresponding object. So in Java program we also write main function inside a class, and technically in Java main function is called as main method. So this is how encapsulation is implemented in Java programming. So coming to the third principle of object-oriented programming, inheritance. What is inheritance? So inheritance means getting features and functionality from existing product into new product is known as inheritance. For example, let us take iPhone. So iPhone 9 and iPhone 10. So iPhone 9 is the old product. Let us say that in old product we have 2G, we have 3G, we also have 4G. Okay, and iPhone 10 is the new product. So in this new product, what they will do is they will have 2G, 3G, 4G from old product, plus they will also have 5G. Okay, so how inheritance is done in Java? So in Java, inheritance is done through, okay, base classes and subclasses. And what is the advantage of inheritance? Reusability of code and minimal code redundancy. So redundancy means duplication. So duplication of code is reduced through inheritance. Okay, so basically in real life, okay, there are many products which implements inheritance. So let us try to understand with a small example. So coming to one real life example, how inheritance is done in products which are used in real life. So let us take Hero Honda Splendor motorcycle. So we got this model basically in 1998. After that it was updated in 2003. After that again it was updated in 2008. After that again it is updated in 2013. After that again it is updated in 2018. Okay, so when this Hero Honda Splendor motorcycle is getting updated, so every new one will have existing features plus new features. Okay, so for example, initially it was known as Splendor. Next after that we got Splendor Plus. Next after that we got Splendor Pro. Next we got Splendor NXG, next generation model. And after that we got Splendor, okay, Max. So Max is the latest model from Splendor. So in the last 20 years, Splendor has been updated with new features, new functionality. So getting existing functionality as well as new functionality in the new product is known as inheritance. Right? So this is how inheritance is done in real life. So one important note point. So whenever the company is producing the new products, so what they will do is they will either discontinue the old product or they will reduce the old products at discounted prices. Okay, so hence new classes are more powerful than existing classes. So this is what is inheritance. Base classes, subclasses, existing products, new products. So now coming to the concept of fourth principle of OOPS, polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? So poly means many, morphism means forms. So existence of a single product in different forms based on some situation or condition is known as polymorphism. For example, take H2O. So H2O has three forms: liquid state, solid state, gaseous state. So liquid state example is water, solid state example is ice, gaseous state example is vapor. Water, vapor. So what is the condition for this? Temperature. So temperature, degrees. So based on different temperatures, H2O will take three forms. So this is what is polymorphism in real time. Now how polymorphism is implemented in Java programming? It is done in three ways: method overloading, constructor overloading, and method overriding. So these are the three ways of implementing polymorphism in Java programming. So let us take one more real life example. So working mechanism of a fan. So for fan, we have different speeds with different number of rotations. So this is method overloading. Okay. So speed 1, 100 rotations per minute. Speed 5, 500 rotations per minute. So this is what is overloading in real life with real-time products. Okay. So technically, any programming language which implements features of OOPS is called as object-oriented programming language. And Java is pure object-oriented programming language because it implements OOPS principles, okay, without any drawbacks or without any drawbacks. Means it is not implementing 100% OOPS, but whatever the 80 to 90% of the features of OOPS are implemented in Java without any drawbacks. So that's why it is pure object-oriented programming. So coming to the fifth basic feature of Java, robust programming language. So robust means strong. So Java is strong because of two reasons. Java programs never break down. Java programs never hang your system. So it's very simple. So Java programs never break down. They will run 24/7, 365 days throughout the year on any system, on any server or client system. Okay, so how this is implemented? Okay, so this is implemented through exception handling mechanism. Okay, So exception handling. So in exception handling, we have try, catch, throw, throws, etc. Okay, so for this we have a separate chapter only. Next, so Java programs never hang your system because JVM performs automatic memory management. So automatic memory management means JVM will delete or destroy unnecessary data, unnecessary objects from time to time in the background without disturbing your programming execution process. And this is done by JVM using garbage collection, which is an automatic process in the background. Okay, so that's why Java program are robust. So never break down because of exception handling, never hang because of garbage collection. So what is exception handling? So exception handling in Java is implemented through try block, throw keyword, catch block, throws keyword, and finally block. And garbage collection is implemented in Java using GC method and also with finalize method. So this is same as destructors which are available in C, C++. So Java is a robust programming language. Never break down, never hang. So coming to the sixth basic feature of Java programming is multi-threading. So what is multi-threading? Multi means many, threading means small logic. So what is multi-threading? Executing two or more small logics at the same time parallelly in a same program is known as multi-threading. For example, generally in any programming language, we'll have main function or main method. So along with main function, we can execute M1 function, M2 function, M3 function. So this is what is parallel execution. Okay, so executing two or more logics parallelly along with your main program is known as multi-threading. So this concept is there in Java. So let us take one real-time example. For example, if you take games like Mario games, bike racing games, or car racing games. Okay, so let us take a bike race. Okay, so in bike race, we have to do the racing. And along with racing, we have to say turn left. We have to say turn right. We should also say brakes. We should also say parallelly bullets. So if somebody is attacking you, we have to do the bullets also. So race. So race means we have to move. For that we have to use speed or acceleration. We have to do acceleration. Along with that, turning left, turning right, brakes, bullets. Sometimes we should also do jumps. So all these things are done parallelly in games. Okay, so this is what is multi-threading, which is happening in games. And the same concept we can also do it in Java program. So now we got this concept of multi-threading from multitasking. So multitasking means running different programs parallelly in a computer system. For example, let us take Windows operating system. So in Windows operating system, we can use MS Word. We can also use MP3 player. We can also download the files parallelly. And in the background, we can also scan our system using antivirus. So MS Office, MP3 player music, downloading the files, as well as scanning the system. All these things are done parallelly in Windows operating system. So this is multitasking. So multitasking means here we have different applications. Whereas in multi-threading, okay, so in multi-threading we have same application with multiple logics. So generally multitasking happens in different programs. Multi-threading happens within the same program. Same program, multiple logics. Okay. And how this concept is implemented in Java? So in Java, multi-threading is implemented through thread class. And we have a runnable interface. Okay. So thread class and runnable interface. Executing multiple logics parallelly in the same program along with the main program is known as multi-threading. So that is what is all about today's session in Core Java Demo Session 2. We have discussed features of Java programming. So basically we have 12 notable features of Java programming. In that we have 6 basic features and 6 advanced features. So under basic features we have seen Java as simple programming language, secure programming language, portable programming language, object-oriented programming language, robust programming language, and then multi-threading programming language. So these are the 6 basic features of Java: simple, secure, portable, object-oriented programming, robust, and multi-threading. Thank you for watching and listening to this session. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching and listening to this session. Have a nice day.